so another found item is this marble cheese plate. Probably not something I would have picked up, but it is quite nice actually. The reason was that I bought something else and decided I didn't want it, and you have 7 days to return it and buy something else, and of course they don't give you a refund. You have to buy something else, and I didn't want to lug that thing back and forth every day for 7 days until I found something I wanted. So this was the closest thing, and actually it makes a very nice cheese plate. Latest find from the thrift store is this beautiful hanger for about $6, under $6. And it was, it appeared as though some florist company had gone out of business because there were about 4 of these. I just picked up one though, that was enough for me. Anyway, another recent thrift store purchase is a dozen of these little 5-ounce bottles, brand new, never used, which I will be using for my homemade extracts. Here I have vanilla extract that is ready to be bottled. And yes, a dark bottle would be preferable, but for the price this will do. I just have to keep it in a dark place. I got a dozen bottles for $2.99. So I have vanilla extract ready to be jarred up, and some anise extract that is used when I make pizzellis. There we have it. 2 of my latest thrift store buys.